वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटी समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरुदेव सर्व कार्येषु सर्वदा. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. मोदक yummy.
That's a feedback from my son for today's recipe. We have Ganpati festival this weekend and this festival is always incomplete without Ukdiche Modak. So let's see how to prepare Bappa's favorite Ukdiche Modak or Steamed Modak. Let's see the ingredients. Let's start with the stuffing. Add fresh grated coconut and jaggery. Mix well till the jaggery melts. Cook this mixture till the moisture from the jaggery begins to dry. Now add cardamom powder, dry fruit powder or chopped dry fruits. Mix well. If you like, you can also add poppy seed, raisins or saffron. In a pot, add 1 cup of water, salt and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Bring it to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, switch off the flame and add the rice flour. Mix well. Cover and keep aside for 4 to 5 minutes. Transfer the mixture into large mixing bowl and start kneading. If it feels hot, apply some water on your palms. Add water if required to form a smooth and soft dough. Grease your palm with oil to form smooth and soft dough. Our dough is ready. Take small portion of the dough and knead it on flat surface. Cover rest of the dough with damp cloth. Take small balls from the kneaded portion. Roll the balls till smooth in your palms. If required, apply some water on your palms while rolling the balls. Using your index finger and thumb, shape the ball to form katori or cup. Using your thumb and index finger, start pinching the little edges and make the pleats. Fill the katori with stuffing. Carefully bring together all the plates and join them. Remove the extra portion of the dough from the top. Get your steam pot ready. Dip the base of the modak in little water and keep on grease steamer. Put steamer with modaks over the steam pot. Cover and let it steam for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Modaks will get shiny texture once they are ready. Ukdiche Modaks are ready to be offered to Ganpati Bappa. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. Bye.